Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn how the computer perform basic 4 arithmetic operation internally with binary numbers. As we know that binary number consists of 2 digits 0 1. Binary addition. Binary addition mean addition of binary number. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with carry 1. Carry overs are performed in the same manner as in decimal number arithmetic. Since 1 is the largest digit in binary number system, any sum greater than 1 requires a digit to be carried over. Addition of binary number 5 and 2. As we know that the numbers are written from right to left, so 5 and 2 are added using decimal and binary. In this example, carry is used because 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 1, so 0 and 1 is carried. Then again 1 plus 1 0 1, so 1 is carried, and 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 0 1 and 1. The two binary numbers are added using binary arithmetic. These are written from right to left. And if there is any carry, then that is again added to the next digit. Like 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 0 is here and 1 is carried. Again there are 3 digits 1 1 1. So I was 1 plus 0 is added to 1, so 1 which is 3. Again 3 digits, so 1 is carry, 1 plus 0 plus, this is the required answer. Another example for binary addition. The number is written from right to left and added from right side to left. So if there is any carry, then carry is again added to the digits. Now this is the required answer. Subtraction process is same as decimal subtraction. The digits are written from right to left and each digit is subtracted from another. If there is any number which is less than, then a borrow is needed. This is the second example. They are written from right to left. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. And 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. So a borrow is needed. It will become 1 0 means 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So in this way a borrow can be used. In the next example, borrow are also used. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. So a borrow is taken from the last digit because all the other are 0. And so this is the required answer. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication has the rule that 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 and 0 multiplied by 0 or 1 is equal to 0. Example of binary multiplication. 0 multiplied by anything is 0 and 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So a left shift is also used, and at the last all the results are added from right to left. This is the same as decimal multiplication, but only binary digits are used. This is the answer. Binary division. 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0, 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0, 1 divided by 0 error, 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. This is the example of binary division.